Hi, welcome to my course. In this course, I'm gonna show you how exactly you can make an amazing fully featured e-commerce store without any prior knowledge of programming and coding. According to the Forbes magazine, by the end of 2020, e-commerce industry will cross $1 trillion business. So it would be a great idea to start your own e-commerce store today. And the benefit of starting an e-commerce store is that you can sell your products without having any physical shop in your market, in your locality. So you don't need to manage the rent of those shops. You can have all the products at your home, start your e-commerce store and list all the products over there. That's all you have to do. And in this course, I'm gonna show you everything from scratch without coding, how you can make a fully featured e-commerce website. So let me show you what exactly we are going to develop in this course so that you can take a decision whether you have to enroll into my course or not. This is the beautiful e-commerce website that we are going to develop in this course, which can sell anything, whether they are clothes, they are shoes, they are bikinis, they are designer mugs, they are t-shirts, anything you can sell beautifully on this website. It do have a quick view feature, so when someone click on this quick view button, a pop-up comes up which displays the quick details about this product. So customer not need to go to the individual page, and we have a beautiful footer as well. This is the backend area of your website. I can say admin area, from where you can manage your entire e-commerce store easily. Here we have the products list. So these all are the products that I have created into my e-commerce website, and the same you will also be having into your backend panel, where it shows the product price, product name, stock availability and almost everything. Creating the products in this e-commerce website is really super easy. There is a fully featured product management panel available, from where you can just type the product name, its description, its price, upload the product image and at last publish. That's all you have to do, and there is no dealing with even a single line of code. Here you go. So this is how easy to create a product in your e-commerce website. Creating the content for the pages are really super easy. I have included a drag and drop based page builder which can help you to design your entire e-commerce website without dealing with a single line of code. I will also be teaching you how we can set up the shipping price, the taxes and the PayPal payment gateway into your e-commerce website, so you can accept the online payments directly onto your e-commerce store. Guys, this course teaches you everything that you need to know in order to make your e-commerce website, and I can give you 100% guarantee after watching this entire course you will be able to make your e-commerce store within 1 hour. And please, once you enroll into my course, keep watching the lectures carefully, because there are so many students, they invest $5 to $10 by enrolling to the courses, but at last they do not watch. Maybe after watching the lectures you will be able to learn something new that can change your entire life. And I request you, once you complete the course, please do not forget to leave your reviews and ratings. That really helps for the upcoming students whether they should enroll into my course or not. So let's get started.